Snipers, you have to see what's happening. The Bitcoin price this Thursday as we head into the weekend. Friday's coming up. Equity markets are going to be closed. The S&P 500 heading towards their June lows as I record this video. This is an emergency update, Snipers. Let's dive straight into the charts and talk about what's happening in Bitcoin on this Thursday at 19,300, just shy of the major resistance right now at 19,800, which is the 2018 previous all-time high. I just wanted to get this quick midnight update out to you guys to let you know that at this point, if Bitcoin does start to move above 19,800, the immediate short-term resistance is going to be 21,800. 21,800 is important because that is the previous weekly open. If we can get above that, that would be the first checkpoint for the bulls. In the immediate short term, as the S&P 500 is potentially heading towards its June lows, 17,200 is the major support for Bitcoin that we need to continue to monitor. The DXY is still pushing up as we record this video. And so heading into this Friday, we're going to be monitoring how equity markets close, but it is quite clear the S&P 500 is showing some weakness. Now, Bitcoin is slightly decoupling away from the equity markets. If you notice today, the Bitcoin against SPY chart was in the green. We pushed up in the cryptocurrency market despite the equity markets continuing to sell off. That is a very positive sign. And so let's continue to monitor the correlation there between the S&P 500 and Bitcoin. Ethereum above 1277, which is the major support right now. The immediate short-term resistance is 1440, the 2018 previous all-time high. If we can break 1440, 1760 comes on the table. Now, if we do see some downside, we have to monitor $909 US. That is the immediate short-term support level, because if we come back below 1277, I don't think 1165 is going to hold. So let's continue to monitor the charts there, Snipers, for this emergency midnight update. The Ethereum to Bitcoin chart is heading towards major support here, showing confluence with the 20-week moving average and the 65,000 Satoshi level. That is very important. How are international markets coping with this weekly close here coming up? Japan and China down about 1% right now, so nothing significant going on there. The main point of today's video, Snipers, for this Thursday update is the fact that the S&P 500 and Bitcoin did decouple, and it decoupled in a way where Bitcoin was showing strength against the equity markets. And so that's very positive, but if it's just one day, that's nothing to go home and tell grandma about just yet. And so let's continue to monitor the strength of Bitcoin against the S&P 500. It's nice to see the cryptocurrency market moving up today despite equity markets showing weakness. And so we have Friday coming up and then the weekend where the markets are the most manipulated. Let's see if something interesting happens tomorrow to close out the week. And smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you support these quick midnight updates. And until next time, Snipers, I'm out. Snipers.